Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Welcome back to my channel and welcome here if you're new. Today's video is on my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of September. I apologize that it's kind of late. I got my box really late, but I still wanted to film this because it's a really great box. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I'll link everything below about what Boxycharm is and where you can get your own box. But if you love monthly subscription unboxings, I have a full playlist of it and I post new ones every month of Boxycharm and Ipsy. So please subscribe for more videos. And I'll just get into what I got in this box for $21 this month. So the theme of the September box is wildflower, which is really pretty. And then we'll go through what I got in my box. So the first thing that I got is this 3 brush set. It looks like there's an eyeshadow, a good brush for eyeliner, and a blending brush, all for $18. And it's called the Alomar Cosmetics Ohitos brush set. So that looks really nice. I love getting brushes because you can never have too many. Lactic Skin Glow Duo. And this looks so pretty. This looks gorgeous. There's like a champagne color and a pinkish highlight, and I love highlight, so I'm really excited to get this. So this is beautiful. It looks really creamy. So that's just what it looks like on my finger. It's almost like that wet look. So I'm really excited to try this. I'll just put a little bit on with my finger right now, just so we can test it. It's so creamy. It's super pigmented too. So this is beautiful. I don't know why there's stuff on my mirror, but this is beautiful. I think it'd be perfect for no makeup days. You can see it's like super pigmented. It's not really blended in that well, but just so you can kind of see. It's like that kind of wet highlight look, so I love this, and champagne colors really flatter my skin, so I'm super excited to get this. This Galactic Skin Duo retails for $26, so already way more value than the $21 that I spent. The next thing is this Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eyes Primer. It's cruelty-free, a vegan formula. It causes your eyeshadow to not crease, and you can use it for eyeshadow, concealer, and eyeliner, and it retails for $14. So I'm super excited about this. I use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, so I know I'll love this because I always use an eyeshadow primer. It makes my eyeshadow stay on a lot longer, so I'm super excited about this. Can't wait to try it, and I love that it's cruelty-free too. The next is this palette by Pretty Vulgar, and it's called the Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. It looks beautiful. And then this is the palette. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. It's all browns and cool tones, and it just looks gorgeous. This is totally my type of eyeshadow palette. I love these kind of palettes. You can take it with you traveling, use it every day, so I know I'll get a lot of use out of this, so I'm super excited. Here's again the colors. It looks gorgeous. You got shimmers, mattes. Like, I'm so happy about this. I love this. Okay. And this palette retails for $35, so such a good value again. And the very last thing that I got, I'm so happy about, because I had a couple months ago in Boxycharm, people were getting this and I never got one as my lip option, so I'm excited that I have it this time. So it's the Grande Lips Grande Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick, and it retails for $25, and it's semi-matte, and the color is, let's open it up and see. And on the back it says larger lips, and it's more comfortable to wear. It's long wearing and it doesn't sting your lips because it's like a plumper. And the color looks like this really nice red color. Let me just see. It's a really, it smells kind of good too. Wow, it's such a pretty cool tone red. There it is right there. Right here. So I'll definitely be using this a lot. I love red lipstick and I love cool tone reds because it makes your teeth look so white. So I'm super excited about this. Let me know if you guys want a review or anything on it to see if it's actually plumping. But that was the last thing that I got in my box, and that retails for, and this retails for $25. The color is like gorgeous, like the cool tone red. So excited about that. So that's everything that I received in my box for the month of September. Again, sorry that it's late. I'll have my other Boxycharms in my subscription box playlist. And if you like these videos, please like them so I know, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're enjoying your fall and have a great day. Bye.